give some statement.
How are you?
Hintayin lang muna natin.
Sige, sir. Ganito na lang, sir. Yes, sir.
Space lang. Let us know if it's ready already.
Okay, sir. Let's go, bro.
Okay? Teka, sandali lang. Wala lalapit.
Okay na yan. Relax tayo, boys.
Medyo Teka, may mga kasama pa kayo doon. Hintayin natin.
Okay.
Okay lang. Wait. Hintayin lang muna natin. One at a time ang questions, ha?
Speaker, okay. So, first off, yun pong naging testimony natin.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa ICI. I'm very glad that I was invited to the ICI to share my personal knowledge on the budget process.
Okay.
And of course, any information about the insertions on the flood control. That is the basis of my invitation. I'm glad to have shared any and all personal knowledge and information to the ICI because I want to help the ICI in its investigation. I want to support the investigation, the fact-finding, to resolve the issues surrounding the concerns of the ICI.
Sir,
so, papasalamat ako talaga sa member ng ICI that I was finally given an opportunity to share my side of the story. So, kumbaga sa ngayon po, it's about facts and evidence,
okay,
and hindi lang political noise or speculations. Kaya the ICI commissioners were able to ask me many questions, and I was able to answer it. And I feel very, very happy, and I welcome this opportunity to share
So yung kay representative ko, ano pong tingin nyo dapat niyang gawin?
The ICI will have resource persons invited here, and we shall await for the same.
Sir, do you think he should come back to the country?
Well, any and all resource persons who are invited here, we expect them to return.
Sir, babalik po kayo sa commission? Sa ICI?
Yeah. I'm ready to come back to the commission anytime I'm invited, so that if I can share more information, I will do so.
Sir, yung comment lang is...
Sir, you going to release your SALN?
I will do at the instance of the commission. So,
Sir, yung...
Sir, pupunta po ba kayo sa DOJ?
I'm not invited.
Sir, yung pong sinabi nung witness ni Senator Marcoleta, would you like to comment yung kay Orly? Kasi...
Well, the witnesses that were presented are discredited already for having presented falsified documents in the form of the testimony, and their testimonies have already been denied by the Supreme.
But do you confirm po that he was part of your security?
He's not part of my security. Thank you very much.
Alright, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, thank you very much.